Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to demonstrate how to add a YouTube link to TikTok. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open TikTok. Once it's open, navigate to your profile page and click on Edit Profile. Scroll down to the social section where you'll find the option to add your YouTube account. Click on Add YouTube. You'll need to sign into your YouTube account to link it. Enter your credentials and proceed. TikTok will ask for permission to access your YouTube account. Grant it. Afterward, your TikTok account should be linked to your YouTube channel. Refresh the page to ensure the link appears. If it doesn't show up immediately, refresh a couple of times. Eventually, you'll see your YouTube channel link. Click on it to verify that it directs to your channel. And that's it. You've successfully added your YouTube channel to your TikTok account. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If you found it useful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks on TikTok and other social media platforms. See you in the next one.